Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, let's take a look at two powerful snowblowers from two leading brands. In one corner, we have the Greenworks Pro 80 volts cordless brushless snowblower with 4.0 Ah battery and charger. In the other corner, we have the SNOJOE Ultra SJ624E electric single-stage snow thrower. Now let's compare the two side by side. The Greenworks Pro 80 volts puts out more torque than the SNOJOE Ultra SJ624E. It also handles deeper snow than the SJ624E, clearing up to 12 inches with each pass. The SJ624E clears snow up to 10 inches deep. Both snowblowers can move up to 770 pounds of snow per minute. However, the Greenworks Pro 80 volts has two rubber blades that cut a swath 21 inches wide compared to the SJ624E, which cuts a swath 20 inches wide. This makes the Greenworks model slightly faster in clearing large areas of the driveway or walkway. The Greenworks Pro 80 volts is much lighter than the SJ624E and has an adjustable deflector, so you can control the distance the snow is thrown. The SJ624E, on the other hand, has an impressive 180-degree adjustable chute for more precise snow throwing. Both models are compact and easy to store when not in use. Whether you're tackling light or heavy snow, both the Greenworks Pro 80 volts and the SNOJOE Ultra SJ624E will help you get the job done quickly and safely. To find out more about these snowblowers, be sure to check out the descriptions of each product below. And don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more helpful product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.